Welcome to the show.
You go to the shop to buy bread. When you buy bread, you need to buy butter, eggs, jam.
I didn't see, but I feel like information you can more Mafarata things on all of the only
Exactly, Maria. When can I get here? No, but
Maraga is strictly business. The sort of phone is about to lean among
business affairs.
Yeah, I want to go well.
Mzomnyama ahlanganele. In 3 years to come, 4 years to come, Mtori Range, it will be big.
Good happy more charity podcast. Ya kahe winzo itore hangwele hape ratlerin tsere ba le moeng man gompieno rena le reki yo na le mitsa Brafinki ke la wa di soul and R&B ke la wa tsamka minola o montse tota minolo go iketlile man Mr Finky okay go di mirisa babuhedi
Malamba bohedi bo botle ke le nna Finky ka masemola ke re dumela
ka he ke introduce ka khang ya gore o motho lo tsameka mino wa di soul khang ya di soul and R&B e simoletse kwa kae ga diralang gonne a se batho botlhe ba leng gore ho ya ka nna ba rata mino o tshwana kana le ona o khotsa batho ke rena le different taste so to speak
yeah ngile go bunyane ka mko actually nna nix adlale soul and R&B
yeah
le ke dlala di house la pele
o simoletse ka di house
go ira la ho na le nyalo le leng ka re ke fitla mo ka bona re mo pina tsa house di ka dlala ka 10 ya montsha
yeah
then I decided to switch
it all right was
2008
yeah
ka switch from more
somarana pa yana ba
soul and R&B
yeah
that event they were successful 1-2 months time after more the great bookings more
soma
ya ba hona
isugile ya di soul ne all right meaning like you switched from house and to soul and R&B but di batle di tsamaisana gonne fa ile o ka sala khang ya di deep house esantsele e bona mo ena le di elements tsa yona nkareng ke di soul so but I want tsamkela go khole same applies le hip hop ho ya ka mkhokitsing mino ka teng so like Peter Masemula ke motho ntseng yang apart from khang ya tsamka min wena o motho ntseng yang wena ka bona
Peter Finky Masemola
ke motho ntseng yang
ke motho o skhathala o diphelela fela o sna taba le motho
yeah and then okay go like
Finky o rata batho o ithatela mo rena le batho ba le rata
yeah
this why I've switched mo kanyare ke tlwele deep house
yeah
ke go soul and R&B
oh
es motho wa soul and R&B or for lovers
I get for lovers ya ka ratile yona theme eo ya for lovers ne ya go mino pila ke so se leng gore o tlhalla o ntse o se rata o bua nnete
mino ko ke tlang ko belegwang ko ke nnang ko Magogo ke rutile go malo
yeah
ba letsa DLP
yeah
na re ditsa record
tsona di final tsile ya
bona bona di final mara go mathomo ne
le record yes yeah
ne ba tswa Africa bo 5 aba me re ko ba dlala music
yeah
then I take it from there
wa utlwela okay
taste area go pela go utlweletse radio mmabatho
yeah ke lentswe la setšhaba radio mmabatho e tsamisana le bo pop radio
Bob
yep
na re wala Bob TV
okay you're old school ne
re tlhale bo Genesis go radio Bob
okay yes yeah go a tswe fa man a tswe fa ka na khang ya mino okay ebile o ila ro ke hopole sengwe o bile ka bo mabatho wa bua ka bo Bob a mme ona le this vision ya gore o ka tswa o le o na le kitso ka radio khotsa o kile wa dira ko radio take us through that journey if ever maybe o kile wa dira ko radio kgotsa jang
Azange ka bereka ko radio, but I had more interviews sa radio.
yeah mo radio all
Yeah,
right
then ke na le sedi ka radio.
ka radio gore go diralang
One thing I understand,
yeah
you don't play your
the
music.
music yeah
There's a
play-
music producer.
okay oh
While we're not going to music, there are penalties,
okay
but it's unfair.
it's unfair
Monto ba irang hore
It's
they have
unfair.
to compile a music for you
yeah
on your journey to that work.
yeah
O kopana le ntho e o disturb-ang.
yeah
Ka pina tsela yo e ka se match o ka se tsamaise hore ke kopa le this thing. O tlo bolela topic e sa match le pina tse wena bo compile tse. This way it's unfair.
It's unfair mo leng gore if maybe he ntse tsamaya wa kopana le something so wa ka tla le idea or he nka ira playlist so but professionally so other maybe sets are already set up compile dipina tse so do you think o ka khona compile dipina tsa 3 hours show ka 30 minutes
It can be.
it can be okay? So wa bona mo leng gore all already sets a compile dipina yes it's unfair when it comes to the emotions and stuff and everything mo ka wa tlhalohanya but are tiro ke tiro man ke mmereko wa bona di
Yeah, aba ka se compile.
Let's compile.
Bana ba bona bo bola ke tlala. As much as le nna ke tle mmereko.
why but
Bana
yeah
ba ka ke ya vote ba bola ke tlala.
so ko bona ko batho ba ba opelang ona mmino wa soul and R&B ke batho ba leng ke ba feng go ka nopola fa le ba leng gore ba khaufi le pelo ya gago kgotsa ke motho e ka nna setlhopha kgotsa moopedi yo rileng kgotsa baopedi ba rileng ba leng gore ba khaufi le pelo ya gago a re fa o tshameka mmino o rileng o le Mr. Finky o itse okay o di ma top 10 yaka ka itse mang le mang tshwantse ba beteng tsa gago e seng tse o tlabeng o itse ke di thambela ba tsa gago tse leng di khaufi le pelo ya gago e ka ba bo mang the lex
Out of top 10,
yeah
number 1,
yep
Aretha Franklin.
Aretha Frank
Someone else's eyes.
yebo
That's my number 1.
yeah
If you can get me playing that song, you must know that I'm happy.
ne Aretha Franklin and then
The second one, ke Toto.
Toto
Yeah. It's Timmy Turner from 016 in Timpidor. Get it.
Hey yo, it's a boy Kuka PTA Kamargamba Timpidor. You know who it is from Guru.
Check Max 012. It's a boy DJ Young Master. I want to get new master.
Yo, this is the ghost, the one and only.
EAZIDAWG, one of your favorite podcast, charity podcast, Rowena, Kawena. Tsa gago e seng tse o tlabeng o itse ke di thambela ba tsa gago tse leng di khaufi le pelo ya gago e ka ba bo mang the lex
Out of top 10,
yeah
number 1,
yep
Aretha Franklin.
Aretha Frank
Someone else's eyes.
yebo
That's my number 1.
yeah
If you can get me playing that song, you must know that I'm happy.
ne Aretha Franklin and then
The second one, ke Toto.
Toto yeah
This could be love.
yes
When I'm on the mood, it's on my playlist.
yeah
I won't miss it.
tshwantse bete okay
Even though it was irregular.
yeah
And then number 3, Makowa. Michael Bolton.
Michael Bolantino
When I'm back on my feet again.
okay mino
Ke rutile ke ntato mong, ba re ke bara Joe. Go go saka.
yeah
Yeah, no care. Joe no care.
okay
He was down.
Yeah.
Ang kopela pina ela,
yeah
ka dlala,
yeah
ka tlhaloganya rore.
ne
Yeah.
yeah
So in R&B, it's all about the message.
hey
If you miss the message, you miss the rhythm, you miss the beat,
yeah
you can't play music, you can't play song.
okay re tla ko 3 4 e ka ba mang at least about 5 yana
Go for 5.
yeah
I will say a shoe, man. Also, simple.
yeah
But I will say Celine Dion.
Celine Dion yeah
Love doesn't ask why.
Miss Canada
Yeah, Miss Canada.
a ke utlwile ke utlwile
Yeah, now le na o onkuka.
yeah
O ntse a mpe mo botleng.
okay
Yeah.
Yeah,
and then motho mo felo ke Afropop
ke Afropop, yeah.
dipina tsa mo hae
Ke tsa pina tsa mo hae, and then ke ka Afropop as a whole, good like
Yeah.
Aunopoli.
among us no pule because
Ne.
dipina tsa mo hae
Tsa mo hae, yeah.
we have to promote their local DJs,
Yeah.
local artists.
Yes.
Yeah, I can play few of them. Yeah, it's what I enjoy.
I get. Nah, I'm not that good at the Afropop. And like the artist, the only overlong but I'm not that good. But when it comes to soul and R&B, the top planet thing one, so to speak. So, Marana Hegel one, the Tamka Dipinati way. But how about one talwan kibo Eric Bene bo DNJ lo bo Music Soul Child one talwan ki
R&B.
R&B, and then go hegel tla go solo bo Joe Cocker ka tshamka le bo ena Aretha Franklin happens to be one of my favorite, bo Anita Baker Toto, yes, could be that for enough at with go bua ka yona, yes. Fa ke tsenela kwa tlase kwa ke tshamka bo Spring Gang even similar ke
Spring Gang.
yeah, Spring Gang una stop about Spring Gang una le Bruce Springsteen ke Bruce Springsteen ke ola ining le tsala ya ga ha tu ke mango ke le nga antsha album la ya Back of My Neighbors, Bryan Adams.
Yeah.
By one ke kila antsha pina ana le Bryan Adams le All for One. So
Mara wena mo switse mnyeso go feta nna wena. We have more to share with me.
Or
Yeah.
yeah, mara
I'll come and consult.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come and consult and mo leng gore tlo khona o ka tlhaloganya mo go tlo bua ka mlaetsa. Wa bona ona le pina engwe ba re ke said I love you but I lied. Batho hantse ba ntse ba zama go preach the message behind it. Ka khona bona re bana le confusion because of motare said I love you but I lied. So you know somebody on apo I tse ona ka mpula ke rile ka o rata mme ka yaka.
Gore ba palle ke direct translation.
And get mo leng gore there is more than love that I feel inside. Mo leng gore o rata more than ka mokgwa o ratang ka teng. So mara motho so mara na pa itse light ka mokgwa e leng ka teng.
That light ne sa bolela ka ya maka. Ne bolela ka deep ya le rato le na le yona so.
One talafai. So ka he o buile ro tla consult ya tla ka na go mo leng gore like if ever maybe una le nako ya di gigs ne ke panel ke tshane ke go fa tune ya gore o buele ba bohedi gore ba he le ba batla Mr Finky ka go tshameka ona mmino R&B and soul ba ka fitela kwa kae ka ba tlhalosetsa le kgang tsa mafaratlhatlha gore ba ka fitela di Facebook di WhatsApp bla bla this bla bla that go file to
Ke le Finky Peter Masemola, DJ Finky. Wa lena, I'm not here for nna. Le mo ke leng ka tshekwa se nna. It's out of you people.
yeah
I want to thank you for everything you made me.
yeah
A ka itira. Mo ke letsa mo otlhe, I met different people. And then gore on kry bona bjano I'm based on Papiano.
yeah
It's the only place that I'm based on. Every Sunday, I'm playing soul and R&B, Afropop,
Yeah.
Papiano. Cornele Casella, my stress. It's where I am.
yeah
And then I can freelance.
yeah
On crea ka Finky, Figile, Masemola on Facebook. TikTok I get thing,
yeah
Instagram I get thing, WhatsApp, most story, more social media, more Facebook. You'll get my number.
yeah okay
My number, I give it. It's open for everyone. If you wanna do the good things,
Yeah.
it's open. And I know there's some won't do good. Kayona, no problem. I can handle that.
yeah so the same number ke yona le berekisa ko WhatsApp.
Yeah, I can all number tse pedi. Ke berisa number tse pedi now.
Okay.
But most number ya ka ele famous 072 1690 286.
All right.
072 6090 286. Ke yona number tlo nkry-a go ka se missing mo yona too much.
All right. Ke Mr. Fink ke fa o matla o ka mo letsetsa ko yona yona nomoro ya sa tswang go e bua ya di WhatsApp kgotsa le khona o ka utlwana gore le utlwana jang gore o khone go mo buka a tlo khona go ka itumedisa batho re ha sa ka tlhamallo re le mo this place ka he ke buile mabane gore o tla re fa re simolola mabane go ya kwa tla re ntse re gatisa yona podcast re le yona mo lefelong lona le mme mo nakong e ntse tsamaya re tlo nna re ntse re tswanyana fa le ntse re bona batho ka nna re se re dirang a re direle rena fela rona ke rona ka wena wa tlhaloganya mo e leng gore re ka se be rona wena o se teng ke wena o tlileng gore godisang kere same applies le mo e leng gore fa le re batla go tsaya di-video for the bookings number ke 076 rather 032 4213 076 032 4213 mo leng gore o batla gore o be le di-shootings ke na le motho leng ke dirisana le ena a ka tla mme o ka tla wa nteletsa mogale mme ra kgona go ka semisa fa le fa le mo leng gore o tla ba batla ke di-party whatever event e leng gore o batla gore o be le di-shootings ke video kgotsa ke di-photo ke yona nomoro yona e leng gore fitlhela mo yona mme o Facebook ga ke tshameke that much mo Facebook but letlakala la Facebook o tla latlhela tsona di-comments mo yona this Facebook page ya yona this podcast show e le yona charity e teng mo charity o tla latlhela those comments mo yona comment section Mr. Finky ka he bana nkare nako ke se tsebana ke a bona gore e tlilo just ditsi e se khale me ka he ona o lebeletse ka khang ya fa re bua ka tsetsa merero ya bana ba sekolo kgotsa re ka tsa thuto what can you say ka bana ba leng gore ba falotse and what can you say ka bana ba leng gore ba reteletse go ka falola mo nngwe kgotsa ngwa go fitleng
ke thoma ka ba ba sa khona go dira sentle ke nako lo botsa ntho was simple and it's not easy but it's simple
yeah
mo sa khomo o tswana tso sa ke a o kra di khomo di le ko groundong wa re ke tsaka
highly impossible angeke
yeah tsena sekolo a wa falola boella a bet senta diteng go back or rewrite o matric e phena go ntshi mo dibukeng go sekolo sa lena sa no ke mahala
suka e bolela hape man ka e bolela
percentage nna ke kwalletseng le percentage lena le kwalla
it's not the same
ke kwalletse 70% fully 70 is a boost you is a ring ka selo did I manage ka ba mo kileng
yeah
and then lena le kwalla 30 what you can't
ne
ako ho le tshwa phoso ntoko no le botsang yona tisa le utlwelle ma mistress or ba reng go sekolong
fela ke
tso a fru ya sekolong o yele go rutiwa o sa ile ruta ma mistress because problem ya lena ba le ruta la ba ruta e teacher a bolela bana ba ka ka khopela tsena go sekolong le teacher ba sa tlhaloganya mmotsise ke motho bolela
e be ngwana sekolo nke
be ngwana sekolo tlile sekolong motho o tswa kwa Tresville o tlo ruta mistress o fitla kwa sekolong ka 7 wena o tswa mistress o fitla kwa sekolong ka 4:08 o latetse mara motho o tla Tresville na metsi ikolo itse pedi o tlile mo wena o tlo ruta wena o fitletse pele wena o tswa fela ya sekolong wa latela and then ba le tswetseng pele le phasitseng sentle le sa phasang pila sit down we put ronyaka and then there's those who want to come in industry industry arena is cruel man ba kwa cruel we have to go to school you come on now to matric I'm willing to help but if you are on a matric our ropa again now to ropa ke tavern una school tlo ya ba tlo ropa because you can't negotiate your pay but if you ever want to this thing grade 12 come to me I'll help you with something and then happy as more broadcasting it's a fundraiser I have a birthday celebration 39 February ko piano Theme.
9 February.
Yeah, 9 February.
Yeah.
Theme. Ke black and white and red.
Black,
Entrance.
white and red. Yeah.
Mafethu. A re ke leng bana ba rena di-pads. Ke theme ya mauti, entrance ke di-fees. Ke di-pads. Entrance fees ke di-pads.
Yeah. Or the sanitary pads.
Yeah,
yes,
sanitary pads.
Yeah.
Di reka ke bana.
Yeah.
Basadi, kopela le reka Colgate or toothbrush.
Yeah.
Toothpaste or toothbrush.
Yeah.
Ke entrance ya lena to gain entrance. So that we will donate those things.
To those who need it.
Yeah, una le bana ba they are less fortunate to have those.
I get yes, and more getting it.
And then I'm trying something different on my birthday. Not always get at this thing who benefit and this who benefit the community out of my birthday.
Yeah.
Community and like number you have to benefit.
Yeah, you plow back to the community.
Yeah, now it's time for me. Or go get any cookie young. Come cover to getting.
Yeah.
You must see something different out of me.
Yeah.
I'm trying, and then if ever no problem at school, come to me.
Yeah.
Come to me. Come to me.
And you are willing to help.
I will help.
Yeah. So on that note, if kana nako e motho o tlabe a se khotsa are they welcome ho ba ka tsaya tsona those sanitary pads le toothpaste or brushes ka yona nako e before the 9th of February mo leng hore if ever o santsana o na le tsona o na le tshone ya hore a ka ba le tsona for now a ka di isa go kae
If ever o sana le tšhono ya gore o di tshwere rona bjano ka di-9 tla go steng or o tshaba gore cause banna ba tshaba di-pads. This thing e nna ke e bolela gore ke re banna re reke di-pads. I want to educate brothers.
Yeah.
Or I was in shopong, how I got pirate pads. Sky filter, don't be embarrassed. That situation we really more fasting. I either go and your girlfriend, I want a period, or one hour, I want a period.
Yeah.
To show love to your partner, to show love to your girlfriend or your baby daughter.
Yeah.
Buy her those sanitary pads.
Yes.
And then if everyone also now for now, I will go to the dropper. Mo castle, mo papiano, why I come on. How some Greek mola go next door castle, you can deliver then. I'll write your name if ever on a problem. Some people will donate earlier. I've got your message too. Libatla donate on the event. I've got your message. You are welcome. And it's not about Zona Fela. If some we have stationary stores, clocker, informal, you can bring two. It's open for everything to help those who are less fortunate.
Oh, telling or this thing one of my need and get and then of which okay good initiative. Yeah, or at least we're trying by all means to plow back to the community and go now. Say Bobo Terrator are like under Semeno, but Gaslik under Semeno, whoever or to Seatawang and Lesona to donate. And then I got like lay as can you hold you're gonna disclose names. Can Baba Mutu only this thing your tower. Okay, happy okay, maybe Kile Kwan, then Mutu the fellas are I will help or ban donate to blah professionalism.
Yeah, I won't disclose your name.
Yes, yeah.
But I have to make a list or these people they make a contribution. Okay. That list is on me. Even though I won't write it, but I know. Okay. If ever I kill them face to face, think I'm donating this.
Yes.
You're welcome.
One try. Yes. The number tell us about shete, you know, ke lefelo le ngore re gatisa ka tlhamallo le mo yona ke 081 488 9777. Number ela hape ke 081 488 9777. O ka lena brashete fa le go batla go tla ka kwano mme o itapolose man wa le bona ke lefelo le lentle man ke lefelo le lentle mo leng hore you are welcome go tla mme o tla dira di tulagane le yena di bana go le kana jang o tsana jang eng hona fo me Mr. Finky mo leng ka di 9 solofetswa e tlhabise di khalangere bona le khona hale ya gore re ka itatshela ka go re be teng re be part and parcel of your birthday celebration Mr. ke definitely sure ka di 9 tse o tla be re le kwa wantlhalwana mo leng gore sengwenyana tla be re se tshwere ka gore ke re gore rena tshwantse re tshwara selo se so and then tellele le sona and then re tla dira dithulaganyo mo leng gore re tlhahelele ke sa itse gore tla tlhelela ka podcast kgotsa ja mara tla bona re ira jang ke me celebration ya hao birthday celebration o tla be re keteka le wena ko papiano ke yona e fetsa go itlhalosa gore ke e nna le bitsa castle ke yona ko castle so Mr. Finky o tla be a e dira birthday celebration ke di 9 February gore ke before
ke after birthday nna ke birthday ka 7th of February
7th of February so it will be Friday so wena o celebrate ka Sunday ya teng all right then
and birthday aki one mo birthday ke na le DJ Stala birthday ya ka di 6 of February then we decided to
combine
our birthday
all right
then. It's a young DJ I'm sorry to say this
okay up and coming
ke up and coming ha ke lipa manala I'm sorry to say this because some I nipila mo bona
okay
ke ra ke lipa manala ba bona ka re ka banyatsa but o tswa mo matsong wa ka
okay
ke one of my product
okay and then so ra gore o tla ba a utlwagala ha se tsa tshameka because of o sound is o itse se o se dirang wa ntlhalwana so being le na DJ Stala o tla ba a celebrate so ke no re happy birthday in advance wa ntlhalwana ke simola ona no ke happy birthday in advance bona ke January
Tomaga di 1 of February
so ma
most you are welcome ka those products when not nya go donate ka tsona if ever you know the tshwere you can deliver them there no problem then not to keep us safe for that event a re thusane a re tloela go tsela nang go fatshe batho but ba modimo re tlhodile ka lerato bo botle and then ha ona le gona ka mkhona le gona thusa wa senang gona ke se nka se bolela mo setšhabeng sa hetso gore mzomnyama ahlanganele in 3 years to come 4 years to come ntori irang it will be big some they won't have it and then this thing irang e ka shodise ke nna e ka shodise ke this broadcast e godisa ke lena ba retsi le go hae broadcast ye re ka ithabela ngwaotlang wa ngwaetlang re bone godile
yes and gore e godisa ke lona like e godisa ke lona le ba di viewers kgotsa le baagi ba yona tikologo e leng mo yona yes the grace le ditikologo tse dingwe di mabapi the likes of Mohile steam but there wa bona ke mafelo le gore a gaufi yona yes the grace so ka di 9 o boletse theme so diaparo a di tsene mo theming
theme ya re ketileng go re kete red and white it's all about the month of love
red and white
na actually birthday ya ka ne ke ira ka black and white ne ke ira most theme ya teng ke black and white ke 5th edition ya birthday ya ka ya celebration ke celebrate it was black and white all over then
so you decided
so that ke na le sthala or red and white but and then actually it was difficult because ke theme ke dilo tse trefela white thing no ba black le red
kona mo di different
di different
ke o tlhaloganya so arta tle bona gore eng ke eng ka lona letsatsi le mme se nka bolelang sona gore so far happy birthday and then ka khangela ya gore tshwantse re ne fatshe re a tlhatlhetsa mmino re tlo kra thuno tsatsi le lengwe re nne happy fela re khona go bua deep ka music re khona go ka go hodisana o tla bang hodisa le nna ke tla be go hodisa le bona batho ba leng ke babohedi ba tla ba re hodisa ka one a ka re a re itse dilo ka o tshwana ba bona ba teng ba leng gore mo yona this episode ya podcast o tla ba na le trial something like that ka yona khang ya mmino gore me bana ona le thakaselo gore okay fine sharp when if ever maybe ke batla guys where can we meet blah 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 and this and the guys it re buile okay the numbers are tloetse and then he ba o batla ba tla fitlhela o kae and so forth and so on again so re hodisana re le batho ka ona like ke buile ka rena ya di afro pop akitse meaning
a re tla mo mokhanyeo se ke nya go se bolella batho I'm not a famous DJ I'm still learning music I learn each and every day ha ke kopana le DJ I learn something a DJ it's monna he did learn something and then some people they love to use this name famous a ke hani o ka bolela I'm not famous I'm still a student on this music.
Okay.
Because this genre nna re tlalang e na le more genres ka mohare.
Come hard, yeah.
There are rare tunes.
Too much.
Yeah, there are rare tunes. There are popular songs. There are music wa differ ka mara hona le pop music ka mara R&B ka mo soul and what ka mo and then hona le rock hape.
Okay.
And then it's up to you gore o compile bjang for the day.
Okay.
Study your people. O fe batho se ba se tlhokang. O sa ba motho wa ba gore nna ke tlo te dlalla.
Yeah.
Most ro bukiwe. Thabisa your patrons.
Yeah.
Accommodate everyone.
Yes.
Ha ona le ditafola tse 5. Make those table dance.
Okay.
Batho ba ntse mo tafola tse 5 ba dlalle music ba o tlhokang for the day. So that we can have more bookings.
Okay.
Ska tla mola wa re nna ba mbukile ke DJ. Wa tlo etsetsa. Go eventeng a re ikele. Re la batho ba re ka bjala so that the tavern owners they can pay us.
Okay.
And I'm sorry to say this. Some they don't want to pay. I'm sorry to say this. Some they don't want to pay. They don't have to pay. They will negotiate to pay.
Okay.
And that thing, you know, Ebola industry. Ebola industry. Ar tlhalefeng young DJs tlhalfa. This wa ke re yang sekolo.
Yeah.
Itla monna le sekolo. Itlang. A ke hane motho nna ke thusa everyone ka music.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ke thusa everyone ka music. Ke fitlhile mo ke leng ke thusa ke batho.
Okay.
Now it's my plowback now.
Yeah.
So ke thusa le ena. Itla monna. Ka re di men nna ke na le yona music.
Yeah.
I'll give you more.
Okay. And then you're not that kitso and then we see pasalatse but those guys were gonna go easy this and that. If we le ntlhango ya this thing your negotiator the price. Okay. Don't worry. Hape motho a setsa a batla ho noka moro ba botsa ra bona beta fa 100. We don't know 300 hour man beta fa 100. Tangere go for the 2 calls. Wa bona?
Yeah.
Ke taba ela hore o ba sort of vulnerable. Anyway, mulongore how set all vulnerable it's advantage. So yes, well na le this thing ya gore ka o tsela advantage or ka itse go rata music. O tshwanetse a tloletsa mo a rata salad. So that's why those tavern owners ba khona go ka dirisa tšhono ya gore be mahokobu wa bona ba o dirisa and then ba sa o patela so se le gore o tshwanetse go ka patela. So ba be ila let
Most tavern owners, so botsa I'll pay you.
Until simul.
I'll thoma. Ina go ntsia. O botsa ra wa bereke.
Yeah.
O ka se bereke engwa o tle go bona. O ka se beletsa le 1 na go botsa go bereke.
Okay.
Yeah, put your head on a block.
Yeah.
The amount we chase is but chelta ha. Wa fe chelta ha.
Yeah.
Wela hore o tlo tlhalwanya hore a wa bereke.
Yeah.
O ka se bereke every day. It's what I'm going to tell you. O ka se bereke.
Meaning once I amohela go he ba thoma ba I amohela somebody o sense
Everything in Ibolela. Yeah, it will buy a chain. Yeah. Because o kono tla di supporters tsa hao di kono tla tse 10.
Yeah.
Out of them bo botle ba. They buy 66.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
Ka price ya 150. Ke ka tšhelete o tshwanetse wena o patela bo tsora wa bereke.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because lo wena o compromise itse o mathomo wa re go lokile mfe yona eng. A re tlwele yona eo. Tse tšhelete wena o utlwanetse le motho. A rata ska o patela o se tlhole o ya go yena.
Yeah, ben problem tlala. You see wa bona mpa. Mpa ke yone le ngore ya re play samane.
Mpa ke ngwana I know that.
Yeah.
Because yona nya go furiwa e re selo nya go furiwa every day.
Fail.
But put your head on a block.
I guess.
Yeah. Be strictly more business in now.
And then if lera.
Yeah.
Alright, company wa bola ke tlala as long as ono bile price how we be and then that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
There are some DJs ba ke na lembona. They don't compromise.
Never compromise.
Yeah, they don't compromise.
Yeah.
And then that's strategy se re ka.
I guess.
Le nna sa mperekela because we don't compromise. I don't compromise.
Yeah. When it comes to that, if ever I compromise and then it will work for you one by one. So hajana ke ne ke ratile re ka e harela pele re ka e latswa bobe ra senya bonono akere. So ka he o buile ka di bookings o sile di number tsa hao and everything. So o buile le ka le felo le ngore hantsi motho fa ile re o batla go bona o diragatsa a ka o fitlhela mo papiano and so forth and so on. Hape na le possibility gore le nna le ka mpona lena mare lena le o itse mare le telela dilo lena le tlo mpona wa ntshwara. So at least one day ke jokenyana bo ma 45 minutes or so o tlo taste ya ke fetse ke follow stage, and then I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna assure you that I tlo utlwa na fitlhile wa ntlhaloganya. So on that note ne ke batla gore re ka harela before re senya dilo tse pae wa ntlhaloganya. So next time around to maybe re tla re kopana ka something different, re bua too much ka music, re tla be re na le baeng ba bang ba leng gore ba itse music o mo different kgotsa re tla be re bua ka the same language ya music o leng gore ra o itse wa ntlhaloganya. So o ka reng ko the viewers pele ke tswala
barati le balatedi ke rata le leboga nako le iphileng yona la utlwella this broadcast.
yeah
se ke re latang go le botsang sona a re supportaneng
yeah
a re tlelo sabatha jana
yep
go tswela ha ka pele
go tswela
go tswela ntato mosola
okay
go ba selfish I want to see the social benefit. Let's share.
okay
Yeah.
bona borotonyana bo
2 rand ke krileng ke mo faranta ke tsaranta.
okay
It's better.
yeah ka stwana
Yeah.
ka stwana le ka he ba bua ba re he be a tshwana ka le settle okay
She phala moro.
hona mo khona lapho okay so ke le buile nako ya hao Mr Fink anger le nako e tlang le ko ngwe ba tlang ba bitsa o be le nako o khone go ya gonne go ya ka nna how le mo is 2 people 1 person ke Finky wa tswang go lapeng le so ke Finky wa the brand one talent, so it's 2 people 1 person, so only once for the bolelle batho ba bile. So on that note re ke se ka senya bontle ke re king Saivala.
Yeah, it's Timmy Turner from 016 in Team Pitur. Get here.
Hey yo, it's your boy Kuka PTA Kamaragamba Team Pitori. You know who it is from Guru.
Checkmark 012. It's your boy DJ Young Master. Awange Numas.
Yo, this is the ghost, the one and only.
EAZIDAWG, one of your favorite podcast, charity podcast. Rewena, Kawena.